Guess who? You miss me?
Long time no see once again, man. Check it out. Like the title says, I have some really bad news. Now, I've been trying as hard as I can not to have to do this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've never wanted to actually take a break from YouTube, and unfortunately, I'm now kind of being forced to. You know what I mean? I know my uploads have been kind of, I've been going, a couple weeks and shit without like posting up a video, and that has nothing to do with this. That was something completely different, dude. And to be honest with you, that was kind of my girlfriend and I not getting along, and me just not being the best at organizing my time as far as my day job, being a father, being a boyfriend, and being a YouTuber, man. Like, and whenever I finally felt like everything is kind of straight, like I've gotten everything kind of organized, that's why the last couple videos, man, I'm like, I'm back, bro. I'm back on my shit. We get slapped with a fucking vacate notice on my house, so I have to move, dude. The house that I'm living in, it doesn't belong to me. I've been renting. I've lived in this home. This has been my home for the past 7 years, bro. I've been renting this house for 7 years, and our lease is coming up in October, the same as it always does every freaking year. And they basically just said that the owners of the house are wanting to sell the house. They're wanting to sell it, bro. So that leaves us literally. I mean, I'm not getting evicted. It's just I'm getting a notice to vacate. They don't want to re-sign another lease. So I have 30 fucking days. I have 30 days to basically get out, dude. And to be honest with you, I didn't expect it at all. I had no idea this was coming. I've been wanting to buy a house, but my plan has been kind of, at least 1 to 2 years from now. You're straight up with you, dude. I'm kind of screwed. I'm in a position where I'm kind of screwed. My only option right now is we're kind of going through all of our stuff, throwing away shit, selling shit, having like yard sales. I can't stand having yard sales, but we're having yard sales. And what's going to be left is just, the stuff that we really want to keep. And my only option right now is to kind of put all my belongings into a storage unit, and probably going to stay with either friends or family for at least a couple of months to save up some money, dude. Because if my two options right now are to either buy a house, which I would rather do because I'm tired of renting. I hate being in this position, and I'm in this position because I don't own my own home. I'm renting from someone else. So our options are to either buy a house or rent another house. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know that whenever you go and rent another house, they expect first and last months up front. And like all the houses we're looking, like houses in Arizona right now, for the size house that I would need to fit my family and still have a garage to do my work, the cheapest are like $1,200 a month right now. I'm like, damn. So that's $2,400 alone, and that's not including pet deposit, deposits to get utilities turned on, all that kind of stuff, renting a U-Haul, like, ugh. To be honest with you, man, like this just, it hit me out of nowhere. I wasn't expecting it. We have to be out in 30 days, and I have literally no money except for what I get on my paychecks. So that's my situation, you know what I mean? So unfortunately, all of our stuff's going to be going into a storage. The Civic is going to be going into a storage. That's why I'm so stressed out right now, is because I have a lot of stuff, dude. I mean, my garage alone is freaking crazy. Like, everything I have in here, I have 2 storage sheds out back full of stuff. I mean, it's a 4-bedroom house with, you know, we all have to, like, it's full. Our furniture, like, it's crazy, dude. It's just crazy, and I'm overwhelmed right now. I'm honestly nervous, dude. I don't know. I'm a little scared. I don't know exactly how all this is gonna pan out. You know what I mean? And I'm in the back of my mind, the only real investment, and I hate to say this, dude, the only real investment that I have is this fucking car right here. You know? I'm gonna try not to have to sell everything. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try not to, but at the same time, like, family's first. You know, and it sucks. The situation sucks. I mean, I just wish everything can just continue the way it is. You know, like, I make enough money to pay my bills here. You know, I live comfortably. You know, I'm not fucking rich by any means. That's the reason why it's been taking me so long to do this car. I don't fucking, you know, outside of my bills and everything, I don't have a lot of extra money, you know, and it's just, I don't know. I'm gonna try my hardest to not sell the Civic, to not sell everything we've done here, you know, but just be warned, man. If it comes down to it, I might have to, you know. So, anyhow, I know I have another project sitting on the side, and I mean, to be honest with you guys, that car is not worth a fucking thing, dude. I spent as much money on that car as I spent on the carbon fiber hood for this car. You know what I mean? So that car's not worth shit. I have Max. I'm thinking about maybe selling Max. That might kind of get us, you know, in a good spot. But I still don't think that's going to be enough, dude. I think at most I might be able to make $1,500 off of Max. But fuck, dude, I don't know. Either way, I want you guys to know that I am going to be taking a break, because with all this that's going on, like, I gotta get myself together. And to be honest with you, if I don't end up selling all this, all my tools, the Civic, everything's gonna be sitting in a storage shed anyhow. So I'm not gonna be able to work on it. I'm not gonna be able to until I get everything figured out and I get a new place, dude. I gotta get a new place to lay my head. You know what I mean? I gotta keep a roof over my kids' head, and we might end up staying with some family or something for a couple of months. My goal as of right now, I can see us probably getting into a new place come January-ish, mid-January. So, I hope you guys stick with me, you know what I mean? DB fam, homie, I hope you guys stick with me through this shit. I mean, I still got my Instagram, I still got Snapchat and all that. If you guys want to hit me up, I still got Facebook. I'm still on Built Not Bought. To all my Built Not Bought fam, I know I kind of passed the 21st. I know I like to throw a sticker pack at you guys for whoever's been most active. I haven't got around to it, dude. Shit has been so crazy the last couple of weeks. Literally the day after I posted my last video, we got that stupid vacate notice in the fucking mail, bro. And I've just been running around like crazy ever since. We have our kitchen, our living room packed up so far. We're just trying to get stuff done, dude. So, wish me luck, guys. Peace out. Till next time, dude. I'll see you on the next one.